Hello everyone and welcome to Magic Mom 101. Today we're going to do a really fun new video because, well, I got a bunch of really cool stuff today and I have to share it with you. But first, I wanted to make sure that I let everybody get a little sneak peek at the stuff that I used in this morning's self-care routine that I posted. These are the cheat sheets, which are the under eye masks. I love them. They make your face feel fantastic. I feel literally like I lost 20 years today. This was the one I used in the shower. It's just a charcoal face scrub, and it's amazing. It is also vegan, and so are the cheat sheets, I think. And actually, I think all but one of the products that I used today were vegan. So this one and the cheat sheets are both vegan. And then the face mask was awesome. And it has like peppermint oil in it, which totally makes your face feel all tingly. And you can totally feel your pores shrinking. And I don't have any makeup on at all. I literally have not done anything except for get out of the shower and let my hair dry and put all these amazing products on my face. That one is the Cackle Spackle, and I just love the amazing little names that they have for all of these things. Super cute. And stick around too, because I'm going to pull a card from the Affirmators deck for just sticking around and listening to my super excitement about all the fun stuff I got. I ended that routine with the Nothing Phases Me face serum, and this stuff looks kind of otherworldly. It was actually pretty cool. This is literally the color of it. It's kind of like a bluish gray with like purple flecks and stuff in it. It's super cool. And it feels like you're putting on this like water gel. It's amazing. Hi, Michelle. I totally loved all the stuff I got from you. Thanks. Second, I got my shipment from Conscious Inc. And one of these is going into a Magic Mom mailbox. So maybe make sure you stick around for that stuff too, okay? So the one I got for myself just says, you're not alone, and you get one and you get to share one with your friend. And they're just little manifestation tattoos that you can put on that help remind you what your goals are. So the one that I got for the gift boxes that I'm going to be doing, though, is the Transform package, okay? And this one comes with like a million, I think there's 7 or 8 in it. They're 3x1s and 4x1, and they're just temporary tattoos, but they last for almost 30 days, I think. So they're a good manifestation tool to use. So I'm going to be trying those out, and then I'm going to have one that I'm going to be putting into the gift boxes as well. So my unboxing. I got 2 giant boxes from Perfectly Posh today, and I'm super excited to see what fun stuff I got. Because for part of it, I don't know what it is. So I did the $99 influencer package, and I'm super glad I did. I get a bunch of super awesome discounts, and if you register with HyperWallet right away, you get instant commission. So I already tried that out, and it really was instant. So awesome. If you're interested in hooking up with that, let me know, okay? All right, so, looks like I opened my sample pack first. So I got a bunch of the Pink Ink catalogs because that was part of one of my free things, and then I got half off of all of the samples that I bought. And they were already heavily discounted too, so I tried to stick with the stuff that was partially retired. So I got 20 of the envy this face mask. So that'll be one of the ones in the Magic Mail. I got a ton of the Feel Better Soon trunk soap samples. You Apricot Me body polish. The Good Hydrations in shower body lotion, which is one I wanted to try because I hate body lotion, to be honest, and I'm not a real fan. So if I can minimize my processes by doing something in the shower, I am all for that. Oh, the Oil Balm coconut oil balm, I got that too. Oh, I got samples of the As If I Hair conditioner, and I also got the shampoo too. Hold on, they might be in here too. And the Trust to Impress shampoo. Okay, so they come in double pack, so you get one of each, which is super cool. Love that. Also got the All Blur body firming cream. Definitely going to be trying that one too. And then, oh yeah, my big fat yummy was the Social Butterfly. So I love that one. Actually, it's one of my favorites, and I think it was one of the discontinued ones. It was candied blackberry and jasmine. I love jasmine anything. It's my favorite. Okay, so that's it for the samples, and those are going to be part of the Magic Mail that you can get. And then let's do the other box. And then I have to get back to fun projects with the husband. You should have cut these open beforehand, but you know. But this way you know I didn't open it already. Because these ones are surprise. I don't know what came in this one. This is actually my influencer pack. So they pick out what you get in this one. But this should be some of my full-size products, I think. So let's see. Oh, I love that they wrapped everything in pink paper. Hold on. See, isn't that cute? Okay. Thanks, Posh. Oh, nice. Okay, so. Oh, I was hoping I got this. I got the Honey body cream. Love that. I got the Show Me What You're Mermaid Of, which is the one I was hoping I was going to get in the Big Fat Yummy. And then I got the Brightening Orange Peel Sassy Yuma. Okay, so the chunk I got was the Brazilian Bombshell. Can't wait to try that one. And then I got 2 samples. I got the Fresh Creamy Milk Body Butter. Oh my gosh, I got tons of these. And I didn't get any duplicates, so amazing. Amazing job. And then I got a sample of the Big Fat Yummy in the Beach Blanket. So that's a citrus and coconut and vanilla hand cream. So gotta love that. All right. I'm so excited to try all this stuff. Oh, I missed this. Oh, and I got a skin stick. So I got the Healer skin stick with vanilla and orange. My camera's weird. Okay, there we go. And this is like more like of a lotion stick. So I love that. Okay, so now I got a bunch of paperwork, I think, too. So I might skip that if that's what this is. Because you guys don't really care about all that part. I'm excited to try this stuff. Oh, yep. Just paperwork. So, tons of really fun stuff. If you saw anything you want to try, let me know, and I can shoot you out some samples, or you can just hit up the link that I'll put in the comments for my Magic Life for Perfectly Posh. And this was my unboxing of my first product shipment, and I hope you enjoyed yourselves, and I love ya. Let's pull a quick Affirmators card really fast to close this out, since you all patiently waited until the end. And the Affirmators deck is by knockknockstuff.com. Oh my goodness, I dropped it all over. Okay, try this again. This is always what happens. All right, and the card we get is ups and downs. All right, so I see life as an incredible ride, and I'm lucky to be on it. Yes, the ups and downs make me want to puke sometimes, but they're also what makes things fun and interesting. And when you look back, even puking on yourself makes for a good story sometimes, right? Maybe sometimes we just need to take a different perspective, love ourselves a little bit more. Remember, you are the miracle you seek every day. I love you all beyond measure, and I will see you back again tomorrow morning for our regularly scheduled broadcasting. And thank you so much for letting me take these few days off. I was feeling super poopy yesterday and the day before, so I appreciate you bearing with my absence. And I'm looking forward to getting back to it tomorrow morning. So I'll see you all on YouTube for our Magic Morning Message. And remember, I love you all beyond measure. So go out and love someone else the same way. Bye now.